Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and for today's Home Decor SU Style blog hop, I updated my Everything is Rosy wreath with these umbrella builder punch flowers, and I thought I'd take a few minutes and show you how to make them. Let me set this aside. And first, we'll need our umbrella punch. And this punch has three different pieces. There's the open umbrella, the closed umbrella, and then a handle. So we're going to start with a piece of the Magenta Madness cardstock. Magenta Madness is one of the new Stampin' Up! In colors, starting with the new annual catalog on June 3rd. If you would like a copy of the catalog, click the link in the description below and I would be happy to send one to you. So you're going to punch 5 of these for this flower. And the piece of cardstock is 1.5 inches by 8.5 inches. And then we're going to take our bone folder and give it a couple of strokes around. You don't want to soften this so much that the cardstock begins to split. That's a great look, but not one that we're looking for here. And then the last one. Okay, and then next I have some of the Bumblebee cardstock. This is 1/2 inch wide by 8.5, and you're just going to go down through here. Oops, and be careful not to do what I just did as you cut just random width sections. So I'm going to turn off the video for a moment while I finish doing this, and then we'll be back and assemble this flower. Okay, so let's push these bits aside, and I've got my hot glue gun here, and we're going to start by putting a dollop of hot glue down here on the silicone craft mat, and then we're going to layer these in. I like to do these 3 and then 2. So let's dip these last 2. My glue is very hot. And just give it a little touch of glue on the back here. Okay. And while it's hot, I'm going to shift and shape. Okay. And then I have a quilling tool here. If you don't happen to have one, you can use your take your pick tool and wrap this piece around the pokey tool part of the take your pick tool. Okay, and let me add just a touch of glue here. And then we're going to add another short strip on here. The longer the strip, or the more strips you add, the fuller the center of your flower will be. Just another touch of glue here. And pull that off. And then we're just going to fill this whole little cavity here with glue to make sure that it stays adhered. And then once that cools, we'll spread that center. So that's flower number 1. Oop, I'm just pulling out the little, I call them angel hairs of hot glue. That can wait. So next, I have the purple posy, and I've gone ahead and punched those. Same 1.5 inch strip by 8.5, and you're just going to take your paper snips and cut down through all of these. You'll want 10 of these pieces. The Umbrella Builder Punch is available in the Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. And again, we're just going to give these a little bit of shape using our bone folder. Okay, let's peel this one off and put another dollop of glue on our silicone craft sheet. That's available in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. And I'm just dipping the ends in some of the glue before I overlap to make sure that each layer has some of that hot glue on it. Okay, and then let's put this second layer in here. Now once the glue has set, you can adjust the shape of your petals a little bit so that they curl in more if you desire. Just want to get them so that they are overlapping right now. Okay, so back to my quilling tool. Give this a quick spin for the center. And one more piece. Okay, pull that out. Put some hot glue all around in here. And give that a hold a minute to let it stick. And then we'll leave that and let it cool while we move on to our next flower. So then I have punched Whisper White with the Umbrella Builder Punch. And I was looking to make something that's similar to, though these are on the big side, I had Lilies of the Valley in mind. So I'm using my quilling tool just to curl this up a little bit. And then I'm going to curl on the bottom so that it neatens this up. Okay, so this is just a little cone. And then I have some of the Bumblebee paper, which is a new in color. And the sprig builder punch, if you're making flowers or flower arrangements, this is a must. And we're going to take just half of it and cut off these extra pieces down along the stem of the sprig, and just a dot of multi-purpose glue, and stick this right in here, and that makes just a lovely little light flower to lighten up the whole arrangement. So this one has cooled, and all you're going to do is take your fingers and pull that center out and give these a little shaping curl. And there's our Magenta Madness flower. Let's peel this off the craft sheet and do the same thing for our Purple Posy flower, and then give it a little floofing around. That's the official term, floofing. And there we go. We've got 3 flowers, and now we just need a little greenery. So I'll be back another day. I've got a couple of more flower ideas for that umbrella builder punch. If you don't have it yet, click the link to my store in the description below and grab one for yourself. You're going to enjoy making the flowers with it. This is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Give this video a like, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell if you would like to receive notifications as I post new videos. Hope you have a great day. Bye.